Hey, it's James Nicholson. I hope you're well. And I'm in the Venetian in Las Vegas. And there's an important business lesson that you can learn from this. Now, in Vegas, there are shopping malls everywhere. Literally every casino has the same shops over and over and over. The same Calvin Klein, Louis Vuitton, and all these other brands are just repeated over and over and over. Now, the Venetian focused on being different. And what they did is they worked on putting this canal in there. You see that gondola over there. And that means that it's a destination, it's an attraction that gets people to come here to look at the gondolas, maybe even ride one of them as well. And what that's meant is that this shopping mall is one of the busiest in Vegas. So what they did was they made themselves a category of one. They made themselves stand out and be different and unique in the marketplace. They're not just the same vanilla business, and that's really what your business needs to do. You need to stand out and be different, and hence things like this. For example, when we're making videos in our business, both Jess and myself will often look for interesting locations to shoot those videos. Now, for me, I've traveled a lot. We've set the business up in a way that allows me to travel around the world and enjoy those sorts of things. And for Jason, he focuses on time with his family because he's got 4 children. Now, what's really important is standing out and being different. So when I make a video and I have an interesting location like this, more people watch this on Facebook than when I stand in front of a whiteboard like every other business expert that's out there, right? So think about how you can be different in your marketplace and how you can stand out, and you will really get some great success. Now, I love to hear your feedback on these videos, so please do give us a comment below, give us some likes and some hearts, and tag other entrepreneurs and business owners that you know could benefit from the knowledge that Jason and I share free of charge in these daily videos. So do that right now, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.